brand new Schindler at Kangaroo Point, Greenbridge. That's free OR voice, which is nice. Very nice. Barely read that. I think the floors is 1 and 2, which is not right, but whatever. Look at that weird padding stuff. I don't know what that's for. There's a new chime though, the doorbell ones. So quiet, you can't hear it, it's annoying. $1,800 kilograms, 24 persons. Buns don't line up. It's like, well, this one, these ones do. One more right up and down, or down and up. It's a motor. A very big cooling system for it. Those weird locks.
Oh, no, he said one of the things was done properly, but I can't remember if he did the other one or it was his dad that did the other original one. Because he said you've got to crown down the bottom. Yeah.
Like at the station, except when you're done.
Yeah.